Going up Riders Green locks on the Walsall Canal is a horse-drawn dayboat. Dayboat means one without a cabin. These were common on the canals of the Black Country, roughly the area between Birmingham and Wolverhampton. With no engine, they were moved either by haulage from the towpath or by a tug, maybe in a train of two or more. The cargo of this one seems to have been some kind of industrial waste. They continue towards Pudding Green Junction with the new main line of the Birmingham Canals. 3 or 4 miles back towards Walsall, Alan met this motorboat travelling alone. Unusually for a narrow boat, the cargo space has been made into a tank. They were carrying a liquid byproduct from Walsall gasworks. The small-wheeled bicycle was Alan's. Alan thinks these two bridges are at Moxley. A train on the former Great Western Main Line between Wolverhampton and Birmingham, which has since become part of the West Midlands Metro. An industrial steam loco waiting to be cut up for scrap. We passed the end of the Tame Valley Canal, a waterway bypass to the formerly congested canals of central Birmingham. This is Riders Green Bottom Lock. A glimpse of the traditional cabin decorations, in contrast to the boat's poor external condition. We join the new main line at Pudding Green Junction. A disused toll office on its island. Entering the bottom one of the 3 Spon Lane locks. Leaving the top lock, they had a difficult turn into the old main line. Nowadays, the canal here is directly under the M5 motorway, crossing Stewart Aqueduct over the new main line, with a tug towing day boats. Journey's End finds Alan almost out of film.